Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Etsy app. You will click on settings here on settings like this. Then in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window you will go to this application of Etsy. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to press the bell icon.